Galayou R6 installation video. What's in the box? Press and hold the power button until you hear the power on chime. An SD card may be inserted to expand local storage, supports up to 128 gigabytes. Download the OneView Cloud application and ensure you grant the app permissions for location access, Wi-Fi, and cellular data. Open the app and create your account. Then fill in the registration information. Before first-time use, connect the device to the power cable to fully charge it. Log into the app, click Add Device or the plus icon to enter the device list and locate the corresponding brand and model R6. Select Connect Wi-Fi with QR code.
Pick up your R6 and press and hold the RST button until you hear Reset is successful.
Reset is successful.
Then check the box that says, make sure the indicator is flashing or hear a tone, and click Next. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password. Keep a distance of 3 to 8 inches between the camera lens and your phone to scan the QR code on your phone screen. Until you hear the camera prompt, QR code scanning is successful.
QR code scan is successful.
Then wait for your camera to connect to the Wi-Fi. That's it! Your Galayou R6 is ready to go. Before mounting the camera, please note that the ideal installation height is 7 to 10 feet, approximately 2.1 to 3 meters above the ground. The solar panel must not be obstructed or shaded, and this camera is optimized for corner installation. The solar panel can be installed separately nearby or mounted directly on top of the camera. To attach the solar panel to the camera, simply align the screw holes on the solar panel's built-in bracket with the screw holes on the camera and screw in the included screws. That's it! Your Galayou R6 is ready to go. If wall anchors are required, use the positioning template sticker to pre-drill holes and insert the anchors. Then screw in the mounting bracket. If installing onto a wooden surface, you can screw the mounting bracket directly into the wall. Insert the camera onto the mounting bracket.
The adjustable PTZ allows you to change the monitoring direction of the wide-angle camera, letting you capture much more detail.
To install the solar panel separately, simply screw the mounting bracket into your desired location, attach the solar panel, adjust the tilt angle toward the sun, and use the extension cable to plug it into the camera.